We are the human being, the world's most intelligent animal. Nothing is impossible for us. But we need three things to achieve our goal. That is planning, dedication and hard work. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you something about your visceral fat, that is belly fat, how to reduce. What is visceral fat? Visceral fat is known as central obesity. Several factors including hormonal changes, genes and loss of muscle mass can affect the distribution of fat in your body, and your belly is one place it tends to always find a home. Gaining weight solely in your stomach area may be the result of specific lifestyle choices. The two S, stress and sugar, play a significant role in the size of your middle section. In the body, carbohydrate breaks down in smaller units of sugar. Liver converts all sugar into glucose and convert it into energy for physical activities. The body can store up to 2000 calories of glucose in the liver. If this glucose is not burned, then it's stored as fat in our abdominal position. If you do exercise in the morning with empty stomach, body gets energy from stored calories from liver. In this way, you can lose your abdominal fat. Uttan Padasana. If you are not able to hold your both leg, then you can down alternate leg and can get support. Navasana or modified boat pose. Hold this position as long as you can. Your breathing should be normal. One of the best pose to reduce your belly fat easily, that is sitting Parvatasana. Close your hand in front of your chest. Inhale and raise up your hand. Easily feel that your abdominal organs are working for you. By sitting in Vajrasana, you can do this asana as well. If possible, in this position, hold the breath and count 1 to 5. Tadasana, in lie down position. Your feet should be fully stretched. As well, your hands should be fully stretched. Plank pose to full Dandasana. This will work for your core, for your abdominal muscles, and thus you can lose your visceral fat easily if you perform plank for at least 1 minute. For better result, hold in this position and count 1 to 10. If not possible, then at least 1 to 5. Prasarita Padahasta Asana. Stretch your leg as much as you can. When you are feeling uncomfortable, then close the gap. Place your hand behind, inhale and bend down. hold for few seconds. Breathe normally. If you are not able to touch your head on the floor, then do it like this, or hold in this position as well. Bend your head down and hold for few seconds. As much as you can stretch your leg and hold according to your capability and capacity. Russian twist, one of the best abdominal exercise to reduce your visceral fat, belly fat. T stabilization. Remember one thing while you are doing this exercise, that your leg position should not be changed. Just move your body from your waist, and your both hands should be from a straight line. Superman pose or Vimanasana. If possible, hold this position for a few seconds and count 1 to 5. Do some cycling, first clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Speed you can measure according to your capacity and capability. Dog bird. Stay in this position for 5 counts. Then touch your knee with your elbow. So that was all about your exercise. You need to perform this asana early in the morning after consuming a glass of lukewarm water, and if it is possible for you, then squeeze some lemon water on it and drink it, then start your journey. This will 100% give you result if you do practice all this asana in the morning for losing your belly fat. Then within 15 days you can achieve your goal. I am Sammy, Yogi Sammy, and thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.